Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, chapter 14, text 46. Here, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is commenting, this verse describes the result of meditation culminating in samadhi. When the yogi has reached complete concentration through meditation, the illusion created by false identification with senses, sense devatas and sense objects is destroyed. Those who have started bhakti yoga, devotional services unto the lotus feet of Bhagavan Krishna, they have just started or they have started practicing that bhakti yoga. They are better than the jnana. How one should practice this bhakti? Only by the help of a bhakta. Without the help of a bhakta, one cannot practice bhakti yoga. What is the result of bhakti yoga? What is the result of devotional services unto the lotus feet of Krishna? The result is one will give up these material activities, objects, all so-called jnana, knowledge. These are not needed at all. Because only his goal will be to give pleasure to the Supreme Lord. Only that is the goal. How I can give pleasure to Bhagavan? And if one is always thinking how to give pleasure to Bhagavan Krishna, he is the best yogi. He does not need to meditate upon anything. He does not need to control his senses. By pleasing Lord Krishna, one's senses will be automatically controlled. ताले मोरो इंद्रियों का अभ्यास नियंत्रित करेगी. Automatically, the senses will be controlled. So therefore, those who are practicing bhakti yoga, they are the best type of yogis. This is just exercise of body, nothing else. Only exercises of, these are exercises of body only. The mechanical exercise of the yoga system, mechanical way. You cannot guarantee, you cannot give guarantee that you will never fall down from that yoga system. These are what? What are those? One is a speculative way. One wants to get salvation, liberation, speculative way. That is called Jnana Yoga. Jnana Yoga, Dhyana. Two types of yogas. By speculative knowledge, one wants to come to Krishna. Another one is meditating upon the form of Krishna and ceasing all bodily activities, material activities. He wants to go to Krishna. So, these are not at all possible. If one is thinking how to please Krishna, he is in topmost position. And how to practice that? How to practice bhakti yoga under the care of the bhakta? Under which bhakta will practice bhakti yoga, he must be pleasing Krishna by his devotional service. Then we should follow selfless. Selflessly one is serving Krishna. Selfishly serving Krishna. These yogis, so-called Dhyana yogi and Jnana yogi, they are selfishly trying to come to Krishna. Self-interest. But a bhakti yogi is not having self-interest. What is his interest? His only interest is that he will be pleased. That's all. No other interest. Those who are bhakti yogi, under whom will practice bhakti yoga, They are already trained. What training they got? How to please Krishna, that is the only training. Nothing else. Why they will go for this meditation? Why they will go for this yoga? Yoga shabdar artha hochi to be connected with the Supreme Lord. How long, one will ask? How long we will be connected with Krishna? 24 hours. 24 घंटा भगवान सहित युक्त ही रहेगा. 24 hours. So Prabhupada Ji Maharaj, he spread Krishna consciousness movement. What is the Krishna consciousness movement is? To put our mind with Krishna. That's all. Simple. Krishna consciousness means to put our mind with Krishna. Taking from Bhagavatam, taking from Bhagavad Gita, some so-called sadhus, they are preaching about Hatha Yoga in Western world. And many are following them. Many are following them. The first requirement of yoga is controlling the senses. Sense control. When one will become very controlled, he has control over the senses, then only one can fix up his mind in the form of Puran or Narayan. If the senses are not controlled, how can fix your mind with Narayan? Those who are doing yoga, they are fixing their mind on the form of Narayan. But if the senses are not controlled, one cannot fix the mind. We are fixing mind on Narayana. Our Mataji singing. Oh, one very young girl is dancing. How nicely. Very sweet. So how then one can say, I am meditating on Narayana? If our senses are not cooperating with us, we cannot meditate upon the form of Narayana. What is that purport is saying about sun god? What the purport is saying about sun god? Even the mighty sun, which displays immense potencies, obediently treads its universal path by the order of Lord Krishna. No one can act independently without the sanction of the Supreme Lord Krishna. From there. So, the yogis are meditating on the form of Narayana. Who is he? Who is Narayana? The Narayana is the Vyasa Murti, opulent form of Bhagavan Krishna. So therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur's song is there. Tumi sarva swareswara Brajendra kumara Tomar ichha vishwesu jana sanghara. So, Tumi sarveswareswara Brajendra kumara Tomar ichha vishwesu jana sanghara. You are the Lord of all lords, O Brajendra Kumar. In accordance with your will, creation and annihilation take place within the universe. ତୁମେ ହେଉଛ ସମସ୍ତ ଈଶ୍ୱରଙ୍କର ଈଶ୍ୱର। ହେ ବ୍ରଜେନ୍ଦ୍ର କୁମାର, ତୁମର ଇଚ୍ଛାରେ ଏ ଜଗତରେ ସୃଷ୍ଟି ସ୍ଥିତି ଲୟ ଏ ସମ୍ଭବ ହେଉଛି କେବଳ ତୁମର ଇଚ୍ଛାରେ। ତବ ଇଚ୍ଛା ମତ ବ୍ରହ୍ମା करे न सुजना तब इच्छा मत विष्णु करे न पालना। In accordance with your will, Brahma creates the universe. In accordance with your will, Vishnu maintains the universe. তব ইচ্ছা মত শিব করে না সংহার তব ইচ্ছা মত মায়া সুগে কারাগার তব ইচ্ছা মতে জীবে জানা মরণ সমৃদ্ধি বিপত দুঃখ সুখ সংগঠন মিছে মায়া বদ্ধ জীব আশা পাশে ফিরে তব ইচ্ছা বিনা কিছু করিতে না পারে in accordance with your will. Shiva inherits the universe. In accordance with your will, Maya Devi creates our prison house. In accordance with your will, the souls take birth and die. In accordance with your will, they experience prosperity and ruin, happiness and destruction. Bound by Maya, the souls vainly wander about. Unless it is your will, they are not able to do anything. Tumi tarakshako aro, paloko amaro, kumaro charavina, asanai aro, nijo ভরসা ছাড়িয়া তোমার ইচ্ছায় আছে নির্ভর করিয়া You are my protector, you are my maintainer. I aspire for nothing other than your feet. Abandoning reliance on my own strength and endeavor, I depend upon your will. Bhakti vinodote dina okinchana tomaro ichhaye taro jivana marana. Bhakti Vinod is completely surrendered and detached. He lives and dies in accordance with your will. What is the use of meditating on the form of Narayana? When Krishna is the source of everything, then why one will meditate upon Narayana? Bhagavan Narayana is the expansion of Lord Krishna. Why not love the beautiful form of Bhagavan Krishna? So the Brajavasis, they were having so much love for Krishna. The inhabitants of Braja, they were having love for Krishna. Double pen. They are having love for Krishna. They were not yogi. They were not jnani. But they were very dear devotees of Bhagavan Krishna. They are very, very dear to Bhagavan Krishna. Were they trying to control their senses? They were not trying to control their senses. But their senses were controlled. How the Braja inhabitants, they were able to control their senses? Only due to so much intense love for Bhagavan Krishna. We are all practicing Bhakti Yoga. How we can control our senses? Very easily we can control our senses. Arjun, can you say how very easily you can control your senses? Huh? Guru. By only chanting the holy name and giving prasad to the tongue. One can control his senses. I heard Prabhupada Maharaj one time, inside the pipe, he took 7 of them. Or Sprite, I don't know. 7 of them. Sprite came late. So when Prabhupada Maharaj is taking 7 of, why not I will take also? Then I switched to Sprite. Always Sprite. Here in Odisha, Cuttack, they produced one spice of. I am having a little gas problem. So I used to take either Sprite or spice of. So I went to Langaltal. They know that I like Sprite. Param Purusha brought 2 boxes, full Sprite. Then I saw, Baba, so many Sprite. Yes, you stay 28 days or 25 days. Then I said, from today onwards I will never take Sprite. The Sprite is making me das. I will become Sprite das. I don't know. And fortunately or unfortunately I got diabetes. So much drinking this sweet one. I gave up Sprite, but I started taking mystery water, lembu pani with mystery. Whenever I come back from any visit, Sumitra Sudam will make a big cup of sweet mystery water. Gopal Krupa was there. He will make one bottle of mystery water. Then I will travel. Finally I got diabetes. And this is not Krishna Prasad. Even this is not Krishna Prasad at all. So, we are taking for the pleasure of our tongue. Tongue will get sweetness. How can we control our other senses? Those who are brahmachari, sannyasi, they are forbidden to take sweet. If they will take more sweet, they cannot control themselves. The controlling of senses will start from the tongue. Atmanivedana Maharaj always says 3.5 inches. The releasement only for 3.5 inches. After that, no releasement. The sweet water will go crossing your tongue, finish. The plain water, sweet water, there is no difference. Sandesh, barfi, rasgulla, gulab jamun, only 3.5 inches. After that, it is only little half. Those who have controlled their tongue, they can control other senses. One is drinking alcohol. One is taking charas, ganja. He cannot control his senses. One is taking meat, animal flesh. He will not be able to control his senses. Those who are going sadhana bhakti sadhana, they must be very, very careful, very cautious, very cautious. Those who are keeping this yoga sadhana in the top and going to Western world and preaching to them, Western people, what they are doing? They are just cheating to the people. The yoga sadhana, yoga abhyas is not so easy. Not so easy. Suppose you are seeing the form of Narayana from the lotus feet until his head. But you come to the chest point, your mind is gone. Your yoga is bad. Yoga is bad. That yoga sadhana we can tell you. Many are like that. And some are meditating on void, what they will get from the void. अनेक शून्य को ध्यान करते से शून्य ध्यान रू कौन पाए शून्य ही पाएंगे You wanted zero, you will get zero. You are meditating on void, you will get void, means empty, nothing. You are meditating on light, you will get some light, but they use. But those who are bhakti yogi, those who are practicing bhakti yoga, what they are doing? Oh, my Krishna has not taken any yoga yet. I have to go quickly, I have to do something for him. His mind is with Krishna. I have to serve him. Mind is with Krishna. Whose mind will be fixed at the lotus feet of Krishna? He cannot see anything else. He will only see Krishna. One must be practical. One must be practical. Which you cannot do, why you will go for that? You cannot do yoga in this age of Kali, why you will go for that? Be practical. On reality, not practical. Somebody asked me a question. I will not take the name. Here in this temple, actually I didn't know he was our guest, he was here, so I was supposed to tell him to give class. But I didn't know he is there, so I came and I sat down to give class. I saw he is sitting in front of me. I said, Prabhuji, you should eat something. You have come from other places, you are our guest. No. I am getting to listen from you. No, it is not nice that you will be here, you will give class, please come and give class. He did not listen. Then when the yoga topic came, I said, what is this exercise? Why one will do exercise? Pranayama, Anuloma, Viloma, Kapalabhati, half an hour, minimum half an hour is needed. He said, this is nothing, just like we are becoming sick and taking some medicine. I said, to take 2 pills, 4 pills, it takes only 1 minute, finished. But to do yoga, you have to sit down on a place. That place must be a nice place, free from all types of noise, disturbances. That is not possible. And at least half an hour. Why half an hour will spend for this thing? Bhagavan said, Aham Ausadam. Bhagavan did not say Aham Pranayam, Aham Kapalabhati. You chant that time. Nicely sit down and chant. If you have no other activities, you can sit down and chant nicely. And if Nam Prabhu will become very happy on you, you will get so much pleasure. You have strong conviction on name? Yes, no doubt. Why will go for this pranayama? Many days suggested me, go to yoga center, learn some yoga, your knees will be nice, your blood pressure will go, diabetes will go. Why? Our time is very, very valuable. We do not know what will happen tomorrow. Can you give guarantee after doing yoga you will not die? Why you will not die chanting the name of Lord Hari? Why you will do this and life here will go? Hare Krishna. You will go to Krishna. But doing Kapalabhati, halfway one died. He will come back again to finish Kapalabhati yoga. Very long process. A long way we will have to go. But very easily you can get Krishna. Just sit down and chant the holy name. Just do seva to him. Finish. I am doing seva, my life gone. My Gurudev was speaking about the Lord Jagannath, Radha Krishna, eye to eye union. Then he cannot speak. He went, lie down, Gopal, finish. No stiff. Meditate on this. Here, long time. It's not so easy. What type of yoga will do? We will be sitting, somebody will come. I want to speak to you. I have to talk to you for this thing happened. What to do? What is the process? The yoga dhyana process is to seek the Lord in the heart. But the easiest process is given. Brahma saying this thing. What Brahma said? Premanjana churito bhakti vilochanena santha sadai bahudesho vilopayanti jam shyama sundaram achintam muna swarupam govinnangadi purusantamaham bhaja. Just change your vision. Just smear love ointment to your eyes. And you see always Shyama Sundara, very beautiful form of Krishna in your heart. Very easy. Then question comes, where from you will get that ointment? Where is available that ointment? If we associate with a Premi Bhakta, our eyes will be anointed with love oil. Then when it will be happen, then one will happen to see the Shyama Sundar, very beautiful form, always in the heart. And we are trying years after years to see that form in the heart. Very easily one can see that form only by the mercy of your devotee, Premi Bhakta. And in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan what said? Today Satishtati Arjuna. I am remaining everyone's heart. Oh Arjuna, we are not able to see him. For that we will do dhyan, meditation years after years. Very easily one can see Krishna. Krishna is sitting in the heart. He has said to Arjuna this thing. Ishvara sarvabhutanam Hurdaya Tishtati Arjuna. So he is present everywhere, not only in our own heart, everyone's heart, even inside the atom. A dear devotee of Krishna, he is seeing everywhere Krishna. Everywhere Lord is there. Prahlad Maharaj, he could realize the Bhagavan is inside the pillar, but Hiranyakashipu could not see. He broke the pillar. Bhagavan Nrsimhadev came out. Gutiye bhakta sarvatra Bhagavan ko darshan karo. He is seeing Bhagavan everywhere. If one is seeing Bhagavan everywhere, can he go for nonsense activities? There is no such objects. There is no such living entities within whom Bhagavan is not there. Bhagavan is everywhere. Who is this Paramatma? Who is partial manifestation of Bhagavan Krishna. And who is Atma? Very tiny fundamental part of Paramatma. Ati khidra amsha. Paramatmankar khidra amsha. The partial manifestation of Krishna is Paramatma. And since we are the tiny part and parcel of Paramatma, we are also tiny part and parcel of Bhagavan. So since we are part and parcel of Bhagavan Krishna, so what is the problem? To know Him, we are following many types of processes. Why? We have forgotten everything. You came to this samsara promising that I will go and do your bhajan, but when you came, you were bewildered now. Due to ignorance, we are forgetting Him. We are forgetting Him. So what Bhagavan Krishna is saying? Tumhare lohityane hoino avatar, amabina bandhuar ke ache tumar. I came to take you to my abode. Who else hears your when you sing prayer? Still we are not able to understand Krishna. Krishna has made so many arrangements, but we are not able to understand. What purpose? Just change your consciousness and go back home backward. We are not able to change our consciousness. ଆମେ ଆମର ଚେତନାକୁ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ କରିପାରୁନା. So much beauty. ଆମେ ଏତେ ଭ୍ରମିତ ହେଇଯାଉଛୁ. ସାଧୁ ଗୁରୁଙ୍କ ମୁଖରୁ ଶୁଣିଲା ପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ହଉନାହିଁ. But to speak about it. Even listening after sadhu guru, we are not getting change. No change. When we are discussing about Krishna, we are all thinking that we are equal with Krishna. So this is our problem. This is our problem, that we are thinking we are also like Krishna. And we want to use our independence according to our sweet will, for which we are getting all types of distress. স্বাধীনতার অপব্যবহারে জীব দুঃখ পাচ্ছি. Misusing the independence, jiva is getting all types of suffering. The Bhakti Yoga, the first mantra is give up your independence. Then, what? What is that next? Next is follow submissively Gurudev. Then next will come surrender. आगे स्वाधीनता को त्याग करो. What the super soul is doing? There is a soul and a super soul. Both are remaining in the heart of the living entities. What the super soul is doing and what soul is doing. Then Atma is trying to enjoy the fruit of the tree. A sharira lotaka vrukshara, silently observing what Atma is doing. Atma is going to taste the fruit and getting the reaction. But Paramatma, but is just observing. Just observing. And Paramatma is not becoming happy. Paramatma sukhi hai Paramatma. Paramatma is not becoming happy. But when the jiva is trying to remember about the Supreme Lord, that time the Supreme Lord in the form of Paramatma giving instruction how to go back home, back to God. Here in this material world, who is saying to us, go back home, back to God? Who is saying? Who are Sadhu Guru? Yes, Paramatma is acting as Sadhu Guru. Guru Antarjami Rupe Sikhaya Apani. Gurudev as Antarjami is teaching, giving this teaching. That teaching is, go back home, back to God. Sadhu Guru always giving instruction to us. How we'll go back home, back to God. Sadhu Guru ଆମକୁ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ସମୟରେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଆମେ ସ୍ୱଗୃହକୁ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟାବର୍ତ୍ତନ କରିବା। ଆମେ ଯଦି ଆମର ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରିୟ ପ୍ରୀତିର ଇଚ୍ଛାକୁ ଆମେ ଆମ ଭିତରେ ଜାଗ୍ରତ କରି ରଖିବା, ଆମେ କେବେ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଚରଣ ସ୍ଥାନ ପାଇବା। If you will keep us our sense gratification with us, if you will keep up the sense gratification with us, we cannot get shelter in the lotus feet of Krishna. How will give up this sense gratification? Sarvadharman paritejya mamekam saranam braja. Bhagavan already said this thing. Sarvadharman paritejya. What is there sarvadharman paritejya? Body dharma, mind dharma, deha dharma, mano dharma, ये सबको परित्याग କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। ଏ କଥା କହିଲେ। But how will give up this body dharma and mind dharma? Body and mind is always inspiring us to go for self-growth. Giving up our body dharma, mind dharma, or in other words we can say, giving up our sense gratification desire, we can very easily take shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. But is it happening? It is not happening. Why it is difficult to understand? Sarvadharman paritejya. Why it is difficult? ଏତେ କଷ୍ଟ କାହିଁକି ହେଲା? ସବୁ ଛାଡ଼ିବାକୁ ଏତେ କଷ୍ଟ କାହିଁକି ହେଉଛି? ମହାନ ରୂପ. Why it is difficult to give up sense gratification? We are not listening. We are not listening from the right source. We are not able to give up independence. That is right. But why we are not able to give up independence? Because we are not listening. ଆମେ ପ୍ରକୃତ ଉତ୍ସରୁ ଶ୍ରବଣ କରୁନାହୁଁ. If you listen from the right source, the desire for sense gratification will gradually reduce. When you will be able to engage in seva, you can take shelter in the lotus feet of Krishna. And you will be able to come to Sachidananda Vaishnava. Why someone will go for karma, jnana and yoga? But the reason, only one reason. I will be happy. The jiva wants to become happy always. But he doesn't know how to get that happiness. The real happiness is at the lotus feet of Krishna. Completely doing seva, remaining at the lotus feet of Krishna. They are getting real ananda, real pleasure. All the human beings, their consciousness not is same. So therefore, we will have to bring it to one consciousness. That is Krishna consciousness. Krishna is one, consciousness is one, result also one. Remaining in Krishna consciousness, one is getting material result, material benefit. How will it possible? यहाँ संभव होगा ना? केमती संभव? Everyone should have Krishna consciousness. So everyone's goal of life is one. Should be. That was desire of God. If one will become bhakti yogi, his consciousness is one consciousness, not so many consciousness. And that is Krishna consciousness. And he must get all bliss. He will get bliss, no doubt, because he is in Krishna consciousness. Jemiti, anyone wants material result, material benefit, and he will say, I am in Krishna consciousness. Cannot. You are not in Krishna consciousness. And one will remain in Krishna consciousness, and he will say, I am not getting pleasure. Cannot be possible. You are also not in Krishna consciousness. We are in ISKCON, we are in ISKCON, we are in ISKCON. What is that ISKCON? Huh? You are not in ISKCON. You are not in ISKCON. You need your own profit, benefit. What happened? Why you are bringing that chair? How is your weight? How much? 1 quintal. How much? 95? Huh? That chair is not possible for you. Just keep it. Being a black chair. You will break all the chair. If that chair will be broken, you will not sit on the chair anymore. We are remaining in Krishna consciousness. That means we will merge our consciousness with consciousness of Krishna or Paramatma. Then we can remain in Krishna consciousness. Arjuna was builder. From the beginning, Arjuna was builder. Mahabharata. But when Arjuna merged his consciousness with Krishna's consciousness, Jathaisya tatha kuru Nashta moho sutirlabda tat prasadena mayachu Gata sandhya astito asmi karisye vachanam tava. Now he is ready to do whatever Krishna is saying. Kill your guru. Yes. Because he has merged his consciousness with Krishna. No other consciousness. And he could kill Dronacharya, his guru, grandfather Vishnu, many brothers. He could kill everyone according to Krishna's desire. When we will act according to the desire of Krishna, we will not do any prohibited activities by which we will get dukkha, distress. You are free from that. In your Switzerland, Holland, Holland is free, no restriction. So, we cannot take it to his place. Prohibited activities, how we can do in his place. Otherwise you cannot say we are Krishna consciousness. We will have to merge our consciousness with Krishna consciousness. Then you see, no need anything. You are getting pleasure. One may ask question, what super soul is doing? What super soul is doing? You say general, particular, whatever you say. What is saying? He is not stopping. He is not stopping. He will go for sense gratification, he will not stop. He will say, who am I? Why I will stop him? He is using his independence. Why I will stop him? He is not stopping. But when, after going for sense gratification, getting wounded and crying, that time he is giving some instruction. Anybody has gotten beaten going for enjoyment? Within, Paramatma will give us instruction how to go to Krishna's group. Without, from outside, Gurudev will give instruction. We may not be able to listen the prompting of Paramatma because so much darts are there. But we can listen from Gurudev. Gurudev is speaking what? Please, do something for the pleasure of Krishna. This Gurudev is saying. You do not listen. You did not listen to Paramatma, did not listen to Gurudev. So you will not be able to understand how Bhagavan is so beautiful. And very easily one can get Bhagavan. Darshan. We could not understand. The process is there, why you are not able to understand? All the processes are given, but we are not ready to listen. How many are listening? How many are listening actually? If you will not give importance on hearing, we will not be able to understand how the human being can get perfection in his life. No shunile, ame siddhire pahunchi pariban, siddhi pai pariban. A yogi is having some perfection, Laghima perfection, is becoming very light. Anima is becoming, Anima Siddhi become very tiny atom. Is it needed? Is he getting connected with Bhagavan Krishna by this Siddhi? By that Siddhi one is not getting any happiness. By serving Bhagavan one is getting pleasure. Where is real Siddhi? By giving pleasure to Krishna one can get all perfection in his life. This age is degraded age. In this age, Kali, the people are having very little longevity. And the people are not easily getting self-realization. Many persons are not able to understand what is self-realization is. The science of self-realization, the book is there. One engineer, my office, came to me, he was discussing about this religious topics. I said, sir, I will give you one book, you should read. He took that book and he read it. After that, he came to me. Mr. Rao, can I keep it for a little more time? Yes, he said, I have already read this book, but again I want to. Yes. Finally, he did not give me back the science of self-realization. Did he come to Krishna consciousness? No. Only discussion. Only discussion. It's not so easy that everyone will be able to understand what is self-realization. If you will be able to understand what is self-realization is, you will have to accept Krishna consciousness. No other way. No choice. Even if they know what is self-realization, they will not accept it. They will not take it to their own. Because they will have to come to Krishna consciousness. If they will come to Krishna consciousness, what will happen? Narendra Modi has to come sit down here. Can you do like that? I will glorify Gopala Krishna Maharaj. I will glorify Prabhupada. I will glorify all the devotees of Parthasarthi temple. I will never do. ଏଠିକି ଆସିଲେ ତ ପଡ଼ିଯିବ, fracture ପଡ଼ିବ. If you come here, you will be in the trap. Cannot come out. If you go for Krishna consciousness, so many obstacles, impediments will come. If you go for self-realization, so many obstacles will come. So, Prabhupada saying, one has to follow Srimad Bhagavad Gita first. If you want to come to the right position, first follow Bhagavad Gita. Then by the mercy of a dear devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, try to understand Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Here no consciousness is there. So Mahaprabhu will shower mercy, then we can develop some consciousness. Srila Prabhupada said, through chanting the holy name, try to enter into this Purna, Krishna consciousness. So therefore, who will come? Sadhu Guru, they say, please chant Hare. Listen Krishna Katha, chant Hare. Then one day we will become perfect yogi. Prabhupada said, Krishna Kirtana karo, Krishna Katha Sravana karo, Bahu Shigra tume ko yogi bana. Siddha yogi, perfect yogi. Annamrasita sunyam jnana karmadhyanavutam anukulyana krishnanusranam bhakti uttamam. Give up all other desires. Give up karma jnana yoga. Only serve Krishna in favorable direction. Then you can have perfect bhakti yoga. If you can become very nice devotee, you can become a perfect yogi. Whatever Gurudev said, it happened. It happened. More siddhi you have. Whatever he said, it happened. What more siddhi you want? A bhakta is real siddha. We should become bhakta. We can become siddha also. Okay, thank you very much. जय श्री साधु महाराज की जय, जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद महाराज की, श्री राधा गोपाल की, जगन्नाथ सुमत देवी की, श्री गोविंदार की, समवेत गौर जय गुरु
जय श्री श्रीमद चैतन्य चंद्रदास महाराज की
जय श्री गुरुदेव. Hey, Gopiman, tomorrow, the Salagram will be in Jaladan tomorrow, not today. It is written there, but in our Odisha, everybody they do today. After giving up today.
Follow submissively. Follow submissively.
One will give up completely independent, then what will do? He doesn't know what to do. Then he has to follow Guru. And what Guru say? Surrender to Krishna. Very easy. I will give up independence, that doesn't mean that I will become surrender. I will give up independence, that doesn't mean that I will follow you. So three things are together, simultaneously read. I gave up my independence, but I am missing from a devotee who is not following regulated principles, but the use of giving up independence.
How to understand that Paramatma is sexual?
Here, Bhagavan Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, Matta Sruti Jnanam Apahanam. The Sruti, Visruti. Remembrance, forgetfulness. Jnana, everything coming from. When one is doing some sinful activities, that time Bhagavan Krishna as Paramatma giving us forgetfulness. That moment we forgot about Krishna and we went for abominable activities. So what is exactly we need Paramatma is sanctioning. I need a nice car. Without sanction of Paramatma, we cannot get that car. Maybe after 10 years, I could get a car. That is Paramatma sanction. Without his sanction, we cannot do anything. But Paramatma directly is not pushing us to do that sinful activities. Only Paramatma is giving forgetfulness. Jiva does all sinful activities.